So I was really thinking this other day, how can I actually come up with a series to help seventh year medical students, to help fifth year medical students that are worried about whether they'll make a good doctor or not, to help newly graduated interns on management of conditions, like jumping right into the management. I know that there's a lot of information that's out there concerning different clinical conditions, and we have discussed some of this information on the channel, but I kind of felt that it's important to actually dive into details of these managements because more or less most textbooks that students actually read don't have such information, and this information is gotten from various sources and is researched and ensured that it is up-to-date information. That's how I came up with this idea, and this is called the grenade. Grab your piece of paper, grab your pen, and let's go.